Hello students, in this video I have brought MCQs on Unit 1 of Class 7, the Chapter 3 questions and poem The Squirrel, to test our knowledge on the chapter so far. So without delay, let's see the questions. The answer to all these questions are given at the end of the video. You can note down your answers and tally them at the end of the video. Let's see the first question. A certain thought came in the mind of a king. What was the thought? And the options are A. He will become most powerful if he knew the answer to 3 questions. B. He would never fail if he knew the answers to 3 questions. C. If he knew the answer to 3 questions, his subjects will respect him more. Or D. All of the above. What thought came in the mind of a king? Question number 2. The first question that came in the mind of the king was, what is the right time to begin something? Which of the following was not an answer suggested by the wise men? So he seeked suggestion of his wise men. They answered him. Which of the following was not the answer of first question? A. Prepare a timetable and follow it strictly. B. Act now as per situations. C. Take advice from the counsel of young men. D. Look into the future with the help of magician. So which of the following answer was not suggested by wise men? Question number 3. What were the answers suggested to the king by wise men for his second question, which was, which people should he listen to? A. His poor and old subjects. B. The person he is with at the moment. C. His counselors, priests, doctors and soldiers. And D. All of the above. Question number 4. How does the squirrel tease the poet? And the options are A. By stealing his food. B. By mocking him. C. By running in other direction as the poet comes near. And D. All of the above. Question number 5. Why was the king not satisfied with the answers given by the wise men? A. Because they were very different. B. They were not good. C. They were not correct. Or D. They were purposeless. Why was the king not satisfied by the answer? Question number 6. Why did the king decide to go to the hermit in disguise? And the options are, he didn't want to intimidate the hermit. Intimidate means scare. B. The hermit met only common people. C. The king was scared of his enemies who could attack him. Or D. The king did not go in disguise at all. Question number 7. What was the hermit doing when the king met him? A. Meditating. B. Teaching his disciples. Disciples means followers. C. Digging the beds. Or D. Feeding animals. Question number 8. What is the tail of squirrel compared to? And the options are a grey coat. B. A spoon. C. A stick. Or D. A question mark. What is the tail of a squirrel compared to? Question number 9. Why did the king take the spade from the hermit? A. He wanted to show that he was more powerful. B. He wanted answers to his questions. C. The hermit was weak and tired. And D. It was getting dark. Next question. I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you. Who said this? This line was said by whom? A. The hermit. B. The bearded man. C. The king's bodyguards. Or D. The king. Question number 11. Why did the bearded man ask for forgiveness? And the options are A. He came to kill the hermit and the hermit saved his life. B. He came to kill the king and the king saved his life. D. He could not help the hermit with his work. And D. He couldn't give answer to king's questions. So why did the bearded man ask for forgiveness? Next question. Why did the bearded man want to kill the king? And the options are A. As he was from a neighboring enemy country. B. As the king had ridiculed him in his court. C. As the king had killed his brother and seized his property. And D. None of the above. Next question. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem, The Squirrel? AABBCC, ABCABC, or it's a free verse poem with no rhyming scheme. And option D, AB, CB, DB. What is the rhyming scheme of the squirrel? Next question. Who is the poet of the squirrel? A. Frank Flynn, B. Peter Dixon, C. Lorian M. Halley, D. Mildred Boas Armstrong. Question number 15. Which of the following is not true? A. The bearded man wanted to kill the king. B. The king had killed his brother and seized his property, so he wanted revenge. C. The bearded man was wounded by the king. Or D. The king was happy to make friends with an enemy. Which of the following is not true? Question number 16. What was the hermit's answer to king's first question? And the options are A. The most important time is now, at present. B. The most important time is when you were born. C. Your future is the most important time. Or D. Only magicians can tell the most important time. You know the first question of the king. What was the answer by the hermit? Question number 17. What is the most important thing to do as per the hermit? And options are to rule properly, B. To save the life of others, C. To follow your heart, or D. To do good to others. So what is the most important thing to do? Next question. Who is the most important person as per the hermit? And the options are the king is the most important person, B. King's courtiers and subjects are most important, C. The person you are with at the moment is the most important, and D. Priests and soldiers are most important. Question number 19. Which of the following is true? A. The ministers gave a satisfactory answer to the king. B. The bearded man was wounded while trying to kill the king. C. The hermit helped the king in seeking the answer to his questions. D. The king made peace with his enemy and got his property. That means he took the property of his enemy after making peace with him. Which of the following is true? And this is our last question. Who is the author of 3 questions? And the options are A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Leo Tolstoy, C. Jerome K. Jerome, and D. William Wordsworth. So I hope you have noted down the answers now. Now let's see the answers. Here are the answers. 1B, 2B, 3C, 4C, 5A, 6B, 7C, 8D, 9C, 10D, 11B, 12C, 13D, 14D, 15C, 16A, 17D, 18C, 19C, 20B. I hope you have written most of the answers correct. Please do comment and tell me how many of them did you write correct. Thank you, children. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.